In the year 2017, we had an order for a few cars that we needed to ship in, and we didn't have enough money.
Most of the burden on the medical bills as well as the funeral programs were handled by myself, which had a major impact on the business.
We had to really look around to get a company that would listen to us and appreciate that we needed to expand.
We needed additional financial solution providers to take us forward with the business.
Our main challenges as a car dealership is financing.
The main challenge was I had to use my personal savings to kick off the business.
Not being able to have money when you need it at all times.
Benjamin Omolo. I run Polygon Logistics Limited, which is a clearing and forwarding outfit, and I'm the chief executive for the business as well as the managing director.
My name is Thuo Karaoke. I represent Saki Venture Security Services Limited as the CEO. We are guard force management experts, dog breeders, event security consultants, and alarm response services providers. Saki Venture has been in operation since the year 2011 in the month of December, and we started off with the guarding services, which has now grown to the dog breeding section, and then we went on to events. We do a lot of events, and then we moved on to the rest of our services through a third-party contract.
My name is Benson Njoroge of Riri Cars Limited. Riri Cars is a company that was founded in the year 2014. We've been in operation for the last 6 years so far. Our main business is selling of cars.
The main financial problem we faced was paying salaries. Ours is a salary-based organization in terms of the staff, our tools of trade, and therefore the biggest challenge we had is to pay salaries to our many staff that run the dog section and the guarding section. So we were looking for a partner who will be much more friendly in terms of assisting us and understanding where we are coming from in terms of being able to up our game by having finances easily.
Most of the challenges we face in this business is lack of capital. As you can imagine, dealing with cars is capital intensive, so you need a lot of money for you to be able to ship those cars from wherever you're getting them from, Japan, whether it's UK or Dubai or Singapore. And considering that most of the clients we deal with, not all of them can be able to afford cars, cash. So that's still a constraint on their side that they are not able to afford these cars. So mostly you have to look for other financial institutions who can come to your aid as our business and to our aid of our clients.
In 2017, the election cycle affected the businesses in the country, and it got to a point whereby we needed additional financial solution providers to take us forward with the business. And that's how we approached Dream Credit Limited.
Dream Credit Limited is a credit-only financial institution whereby we offer loans and other financial services. This we do to our customers who are both individuals and businesses.
For the last 11 years, Dream Credit has been offering short-term secured loans to both individuals and businesses. Our loan products include business loans, asset finance loans, consumer loans, trade finance, and financial services such as financial literacy training. Business loans cater for needs such as working capital, LPO financing, import duty financing, among any other needs that any business may require where cash flow is needed.
In the year 2017, we had an order for a few cars that we wanted, and he had booked them already, but we had been given a deadline for when to clear the balance. So, but the money was not forthcoming. So, considering that we were on a deadline, and we needed that capital to be able to clear so that they could send us the documents, we engaged Dream Credit to see whether they could facilitate for us and get us the capital that we needed. We went through their normal procedure of sending them the documents, and by close of business that day, we had been able to get the capital that we wanted, and the next day we were able to make the payments that were due, and we were able to get the cars that we wanted as stock.
I got several orders coming back to back for clients who had residential estates. So in the process, I needed to pay guards' salaries worth around 300,000 shillings. So when I went to Dream Credit and explained the same, the agreement was that I either take a facility for the entire month, or break it down to just the days I required the money. And it was so good that he was able to. I said I would pay within 2 weeks, and I took the 300,000, which was given to me with the record 2 hours. And on the 14th day, I was able to return after the client had paid. It was a win-win situation. The client was happy, the guards were happy, I was happy.
We were facing financial constraints because business was low, especially after the 2017 elections. I tried going to the bank to get more facilities, but the banks kept on tossing me left, right, and center. And finally, in 2019, Dream Credit came in very handy, and they were very flexible and in fact, extremely fast. And their processes were quite simple. For me, they just did what I like, just keeping everything simple. And we managed to get the finances that we needed, which have really propelled us to do a couple of transactions within the organization. And for me, it's a win-win situation.
At Dream Credit, our customers experience a very fast and a short turnaround time. This is within 2 hours of compliance. Our tailor-made products and services ensure convenient and flexible loan terms with no hidden charges and no future interest on early repayment of loans. Our customers experience deepened, professional, and personalized quality service by our highly motivated team.
Asset financing is for those individuals or businesses who may require to purchase either a vehicle or a business asset. So what we do in such cases, we partly finance the purchase of these assets or the motor vehicle through the Dream Credit Asset Finance Loan. We take them through a very short process where once one has identified, for example, the vehicle, they give us the pro forma invoice, we have their financial statements, and we pay to the seller, that is the car dealer. And as soon as that is done, we have a record turnaround time, or within a day, we are able to have the individual get the vehicle to the car keys to their possession.
We first heard of Dream Credit in the year 2016. We were selling a car to this client, and they didn't have enough money. So they had talked with Dream Credit so that they can be able to top up the balance for the client. And that's how we got to know them.
For the trade finance, we have bid bonds and performance bond. If one has is tendering for a certain LPO, we go about facilitating the bid bond as part of the requirements for tendering, and we have a turnaround time of 1 hour. So upon request, within 1 hour, one is able to get the bid bond. For performance bond also, we have partnered with the local banks for provision of the performance bonds. So with this, we are able to ensure that after a business has been able to get that tender, they are able to secure this tender through the performance bonds. Consumer loans cater for basically individuals and anyone who has a source of income that requires to pay for, say, personal needs such as medical bills or school fees loans, or any other personal need that one may have.
Going back to 2018 December, I lost my mom. and most of the burden was on me to sort out the medical bills, the funeral bills, and all. So coming to December, the challenge went in further, and we were struggling with cash, both personally and as a business. And I approached Dream Credit in the month of December and confirmed that I would be ready to go in January 2019. Come January 2019, to be precise, give or take the 7th of January 2019, we put in our application, and we got the approval in less than, the same day we put in the application, we got an approval which was less than 24 hours.
Our loans are very convenient and they are tailor-made in such that they give our customers convenience in terms of the loan period and how they are able to pay. And there is no future interest when the customer prepays the loan.
The process of acquiring a loan with Dream Credit has been simplified in such a way that the client applies for the facility, submits required documentations, we assess the documents. If they're in order, we then assess the security to attach to the loan. If the security is okay, then we proceed with the disbursement of the facility. The beauty of all this process is that upon compliance, the facility is disbursed within 2 hours.
Our deepened relations enable us to jointly come up with innovative and need-based financial solutions to our customers.
Dream Credit has been able to finance so many clients that needed cars from our yard. And these are deals maybe without them they would not have gone through. So we are very happy in dealing with them, and they have been able to impact our business positively and help us grow until to this point.
They are very professional in the way they work. All their staff are very, very friendly, and they are people who are easy to work with.
The relationship between Polygon and Dream Credit is, I would say, is first of all, is very cordial, and they're a professional team to work with.
In addition, we also have financial literacy training for those people who may require more information on how to better manage their finances. We make sure that we are able to impact knowledge to our customers in terms of financial literacy training. So we have periodic trainings that we offer to our customers, where we offer financial literacy trainings to our customers and even to our partners, who include our service providers.